Look at them burls burling, okay? No gang affiliation, you guys. Hey y'all, welcome to my fine ass best friend YouTube channel. We finna show y'all how she installed this red Outre, whatever. Let's get into it. 3, 2, yeah. Okay, so we got the perfect hairline, which is somewhat cap, you know. But whatever. Okay, we finna take that little thingy off. Show you the little red curls or whatever. Whoop, yep, alright. So then we're going to show the inside, show the lace, and whatever else that is under there. The little lace tint to make it look like your scalp, even though, you know, it don't really do too much, but it do enough. Pull that thing down. Then we're going to cut off the earpieces. So whatever, don't talk about how I say ear. I'm from St. Louis, so chill on me. We gonna scoot them things back. Then I know she finna get that got to be. Show y'all real quick. Hold on, where it's at. Oop, there it go. Yeah, got to be. Get that thing on there. Swoop that thing up there. Yeah, And then we finna tie the thingy thing around her head. And we all know that this part is crucial because this determines the meltdown, okay? Then we gonna brush them curls out, throw that thing to the back. What the heck? Oh, girl, I thought you was finna plug the back of your head or something. Alright, so pardon that hair. Alright, she finna grab the comb like it's a lace back there, but it's cool. Alright, finna brush it up into a little bun. Finna do that little half up, half down, motherfucker. Alright, so now we getting the mousse, putting it on the hair. Slick that thing up. Slick that side up. Alright. Slick that side down. Okay, we doing that. Get the little comb. Don't burn yourself. Alright. Please be careful. Okay, we doing that. So slicing that lace. Okay, let's get it. Can we get into the meltdown, please? Because, yeah, where is that lace? Even while she cutting it, yeah. Look at Shorty Mug. She is serious about this lace. She is trying to get that thing off, okay? Make sure you don't forget that long-ass fucking sideburn. What is that? Okay, I didn't even see what that was, but whatever. Oh, I think it's alcohol. Yeah, get that little excess glue out of there. Yeah. We don't need these hoes trying to talk about you. Purr. Okay, getting a little extra little got to be, because you know you got them little pieces that still want to stick up and do their own thing. Alright, getting them baby hairs right. Let's get it. Okay, cut them things down. Yep. Swoop. Don't play with her. Oh, shit. Hold on, wait. Swoop. Don't fucking play with her. Don't play with her. Yes, ma'am. And we got to get into the meltdown. Yeah, hold that thing down. And what we... Oh. We just gonna keep moving. We just gonna keep moving like ain't nothing happened. We just gonna ignore that, you feel me? You ain't see that. Y'all ain't see that. Y'all did not see that. Because look, that thing still looking good. Don't play with her. All right? Look at them curls curling. Okay, because get into it. How she do it? Yes. What we finna do? Finna wrap that little piece around. You know how, y'all know how we do it. You gotta wrap that little piece around and you hide your little rubber band and make that thing look like something. You feel me? All right, gonna wrap and Philly wrap. Okay, I'm sick of all these wraps. Let's get to it. Still rapping. Got to be. What's going on? Bobby pins. Okay. Right. Brush. Okay, that girl done let that bang down. Don't play with her. Come on, she tough. She still put that hot comb on there, but okay. All right. We ain't gonna talk about that. And look at them burls burling, okay? No gang affiliation, you guys. But yeah. Look at that thing. Them things is thangin'. Yes, look at the baby hairs swoop to the guards. Yes, ma'am. But y'all, let me just tell y'all, this install really didn't go how it should have. Yeah. But you see that girl right now? Yeah, that's her. That's her. Bye, y'all. Bye. Bye. Thanks for watching.